Okay, welcome back everyone. Today I'm going to try to do a quick video on cleaning the desiccant system here. The beads that are inside of it. They're contaminated with water and oil, and they turn pink when they're ready to be redone. But we'll go through how I reactivate them and everything. So first thing we're going to do is take off this. Let's try that.
Smash like.
Ew. Man, I think I tightened it that much. Yeah, this is the system I was talking about in that powder coat video. Yeah, see, look at these things. They're almost white. They're past pink. So what that does is it contaminates in the powder, or if you're painting a car or whatever, and the oils and stuff will get in it and it'll create like little fish eyes and stuff. I've been getting a couple little bumps in my work, so I was thinking about it and I was like, you know what, I bet you that desiccant system's full. And sure enough, so we're going to take all this. I think they just unscrew too. Yeah. Oh yeah, that whole filter is saturated with oil. I don't know if I think I have a spare that came with it. I gotta find it. But yeah, this whole thing, look at that filter. It's yellow, green. Look inside there. Yeah, it's all, whew. Okay, let me set this aside over here. Get this other one off. Yeah, that one's just got the water. We can dry all that out, or clean it and dry it. Yeah, that thing needs cleaned up. It ain't super bad, but, and then there, trying to get it to where you can see it. There you go. It's just watery. All right, I'm gonna get set up over there where where I'm gonna be reactivating the desiccants, and I'll get you guys back here shortly. Okay, what we're going to do here, we're going to take this is just a, what do you call these little crock pot things from Walmart. It's a Farberware, and it has its own little thermostat thing on it. I set it around 300. I don't even touch it. I just leave it there all the time, but I'll set it at 300. I'll pour about, whoop, easy. Yeah, these things are in bad shape. I think I have some of these already done. Okay. Man, I think that thing came off. No, it just sits in there. These things here, we'll put the lid on them. And I'll get them over by a place that's pulling out the air. They say you don't want to breathe that stuff,
stinks.
So I'll put it where it's kind of like ventilated. But I'll get these going, and I'll show you what they look like after going for a while. Meantime, I'm going to get this stuff cleaned up, so we'll set that stuff up where I'm cleaning it up, and I'll bring you back here real soon. All right, I'm not sure yet, but I think we didn't have sound for much of this video. I just realized my mic wasn't working. So I'll probably have to voice over it, which sucks. This wire on the end of this thing is so finicky. But anyways, this here, I also had to take apart too. It had another brass screen on it, so I washed it with hand cleaner and soap, and then dried it off real good. And it's in pretty good shape too. So it just has a little, it just slides on the end. A little nut goes on it there, and you just snug it up. Just snug it so it don't fall off, and that's it. Okay, I'm gonna get you guys back over to the where we're gonna put it back together. Actually, we can go ahead and pour these in first. Hopefully I don't spill these things everywhere. Try to keep that rod centered because it goes up in the housing there. So, yep, it's staying centered. I just keep trying to keep that thing centered all the way as you're filling it. All right, good as new. Okay, I'm gonna wipe up in here just a little bit, just to make sure try to make it contaminant free as possible. Of course, now that the beads are clean, whatever's coming through here, some of them filters will catch, and then the rest these beads will pick up. I usually try to put this on my sight glasses towards the front. There's a little sight glass right here. Usually it's hard to see in there, but they're blue now way inside there. You just take a little light and shine it in there, and then they'll turn pink. But what I've noticed, when you take them apart, the top of them are lighter than the bottom, but as you go down, they're better. They fit back up in there. It's got a little seal on it. Man, I can't believe that. Stupid mic. I hope it's still working. Hello? I'm trying to get by with what I can with So I'm going to shoot that sight. Oop. I tried to start it over here so when I tightened it, it's facing this way. That way I can see it. Okay. So we'll start with this middle one. I know it's hard to see in here. Okay. So I'm just going to snug that on. You don't want to smash it, but get it to where it's sealed. Let me get this other one on. That goes up in there. I don't know why. Let me try this real quick. No, it's sealed. Actually, let me make sure it don't need anything. It's dry, which is strange because it's got another filter in it too. All right, one more time. Okay, that's it. Okay, everybody, once again, thanks for watching. Just wanted to make a quick video on that. Like I said, the beads, they'll keep cooking until they turn blue, and then we'll just put them back in that jar, and they're ready for next time. I'm going to get a new one ordered that way. I'm prepared for it next time and I don't have to clean them. But that should help it a ton there. But thanks again. We'll see you on the next one.